This video is brought to you by 3D&A Creations, 3D printing.
Hello my friends, and welcome to this new video. In this video I want to show you in my own clumsy way how I did the electronics on my half-scale Tiger 1 tank. So let's skip all the crap and dive right into it. I started with buying a Rosomos motor triple lawnmower. That wasn't so good idea, because it had a dyno start instead of an alternator. So it would give me not enough power to power all my gear. So here you can see the old alternator or dyna start. So it's a starting engine and an alternator in one. And I added an extra alternator. Here I have two switches which I can turn on, of course. So it switches on the batteries. I don't know if you can see it very good. So here you can see what the power is of the batteries. Of course, the starting battery and the battery for all the accessories. Here I got my control panel. Looks a little bit like an original control panel. And I'll show you how it works. First I can turn the key, and then one battery is on, battery 1 is on, and I can turn it one more, and then the second battery is coming into action. Here I have the starting button. Here I have some switches for like the fuel pump and everything. Like the original, I have here the plates which are mounted in the original Tiger as well. And I try to replicate the fuse box. And here I have the two switches of the ventilators for cooling down the engine, of course. So I'm thinking about adding a third battery for the turret and all the electrics which will be mounted in the turret, but I'm not sure about that. I also need to install the cameras and the screens, so I'm not sure how I power up everything, but we'll see about that in the future. If you want to know more about this project, you can also find me on Facebook. Here you see the link. So for now, thank you for watching and see you next time.